Alright, so for today's video, we're not going to be working on my car, we're working on Daniel's car. My car's over there, and I ended up fixing my problem with the dash, which was just it was just a plug under by the fuse box. I can't show you right now, but it was just a plug that was loose. So I just made sure it clipped in and everything was good after that. I don't know how it got loose. Maybe when my cousin did the dash swap to the black dash. But today we're gonna be, if you can see here, we're gonna be doing a steering wheel. We're gonna be doing a quick release setup for this Integra. So first thing we're gonna do is take off this little cover that goes right here, and then this little cover right here. So I'm gonna do that and take off the bolts so you guys can see. Just do a little step by step, even though there's a bunch of videos on this already. First of all though, he's disconnecting the battery for the ABS, what do you call it? The airbag. So we're gonna wait a couple minutes just to make sure that this doesn't explode on us, and then we'll continue. So this is how the car looks before the steering wheel. And so we took off these little two covers. The one that goes right here, we took off the bolt already. Where is it at? Right there. Right here. Took off the bolt. It's this right here. It's a T30. As you can see right here. T30. And then we're gonna take off this one right here. This one's a little bit harder because this it won't fit too good, but you can still do it. So next up is I'm gonna just take off this last bolt and take off this the airbag. All right, so we took off the bolt. Now it should just come off easy, not explode in my face. So we're gonna take off this clip right here, this right here, unclip this, and then after that we should do the big bolt in the middle. So I'm gonna take off this right now, and then we'll get to that. All right, so we took it off. It was easy right here, just one clip. You have to push it up like that. Now we're gonna get to this. All right, so I have it right here. What I'm using, this is 3/4. Put this in here, and then he's gonna hold the steering wheel straight, because when I move this, it's gonna move the steering wheel, and we want to keep the steering wheel straight. So when I start loosening, he's gonna be putting grip right here, putting pressure so the steering wheel won't move. All right, so we got it loose, as you can see right here. Took a little bit of pressure, but now we're gonna take off the steering wheel. So it should be easy. I made sure to keep the nut in, so, or bolt, I don't even know. And then I just pressed on the sides and just kind of yanked it. So I left it in so it won't just come flying towards me. All right, and then we gotta do one more clip right here, like that. And it should come out easy. Make sure you don't mess up any of the wires. What else? What else do I have to do?
That's it. There's one more clip.
I think I might have to do the horn stuff.
Just that top one.
So we continue right now. So what we did next is we took off the top piece right here that goes on top, this piece right here. And then we unbolted these 3 screws to take off this piece. So this piece comes off now, I think. And then what else? There should be a clip at the bottom, so I'll show you right now. So we couldn't figure out how to take this off, so we just cut it. Just cut this off right here. We're gonna tape off the ends just to make sure there's no current going anywhere or anything. So there's probably gonna be someone in the comments being like, "Oh man, you could have disconnected like this." Oh well.
I just fucked myself now.
Yup. Salvage. But yeah, we'll continue now. So now we got this thing. I don't know what this is.
NRG Racing Short Hub, or I think it's called.
Something like that. So this goes like this. Oh, this is the...
That's the part number for a 94 to 01 Integra.
Like that?
Oh no.
Alright. Like that, I guess we made the ladder straight with the thing and the thing.
With this.
Oh, with that goes up?
Yeah.
So that goes up. Now we put the bolt back in, right?
Yeah. Alright. But there's a certain torque spec it needs. Oh, that's what I heard. From Four Bangers YouTube channel. Go check them out.
So that's how we're doing it. And then we'll tell you what's next. Alright, so I guess with this new short hub they made it super simple. We had this other piece, let me see it. It's over there. This piece was attached because he already put the quick release, the NRG quick release, and this was right here. And we don't even need this, so we pretty much just put this on and then just that's it. That's it right there. So we're gonna turn on the car in a bit and then just see if we can move it around, and then just make sure that everything, the center bolt is tight, nice and tight, everything is good, and that should be it pretty much. That was pretty simple. So this is it right here. That's how it looks now with the new steering wheel.
So
way nicer. So no
horn.
No horn because of this. But yeah, that's pretty much it.
Fuck a job.
That's it. So this is it right here. It's just that. We put a little bit of electrical tape just so it could cover the big area right there. And then this is how it looks when it's on. It's good. The tape, as you can see, kind of covers it. Not too much, but from outside view, can't really see it. So turned it on already. It works. As you can see. And the other way. See right there. So it's good. I think this should be straight right here.
Yeah.
That's straight. So it's a pretty simple, easy install. It's just, thought it was gonna be harder, but this is the first time I do it. So you can see right there, there's a little bit of a hole, but we just covered it up a little bit with tape. Now this is the new look right here.
Okay.
Way nicer. So that's it for this video. Later.